Okay, for my first YouTube video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. I've never seen any video like this on YouTube, and I don't know if there is any. It's my first one, so give me a break here. Alright. Now, if I can open this, that'd be perfect. Right. Now, first off, we just go ahead and take 2 regular eggs. And, just crack them over and start out like you're making regular scrambled eggs. Yeah, just regular like that. Just go ahead and beat them up. Like they pissed you off or something. Now I'll go ahead and add 1 more egg to make sure it's full. A good tip is to make sure there are no eggshells in it beforehand. Excuse me for that. Okay. Rest assured I'm sanitary. Alright. Now, when you should look like that, like normal beat eggs. Now, you would take it and put it in the microwave. I've never done this with those, eggs that you get and they're beat up, whatever, those beat mixer things. Well, so I don't know how that would turn out. Now you would put it for about 2.5 minutes. I usually take it out early, and now you just look. Now, as it starts to heat up, I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but I believe it oxidates and fills up with air, stuff like that. Just gets all fluffy. You can go ahead and skip ahead if you want. It's kind of slow, but it'll start to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's pretty cool to see. Now, the time you take it out in kind of depends on whether you like your eggs really dry or really moist, or anything like that. Usually I take mine around the middle mark. When I see that it's gone all nice and fluffy, yet there's still a little bit of moisture in it. Not too dry, not too wet. So it's kind of cool, doesn't it? Starts to grow. Just a little bit more time, it'll be at the consistency I like. Maybe about 10 more seconds. Or less. I can go ahead and take it out now. Now, like I said, I usually take it out before the time's up. Now when you take it out, it's going to go down. Let's see if I've taken it out okay. Okay, it's at a good consistency. Now what I would do is, it doesn't look like scrambled eggs yet. Now what you do is you scramble it like this. Doesn't look like much now. It also depends on whether or not you feel like scrambling it or not. I mean, you can eat them straight. They taste just like regular scrambled eggs that you make on a pan. But these are much quicker and a much easier cleanup. Instead of taking out a big pan and scrubbing it and blah and all that garbage, you just go in here, you rinse out the bowl. You know, if you let it sit, I mean, it's going to be hard to take the egg off the bowl, but it's doable, better than a freaking stovetop. Now, I usually just leave it in this bowl, but to show you more or less how it looks, I'm just going to transfer it over. Like so, I can show you that it looks just like a regular scrambled eggs. Ow, 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 hot, ow. Now, normal, and it looks like regular scrambled eggs, and it tastes just like it, and so it's scrambled eggs. Alright, I'll see what else I can dig up that's interesting. Talk to you guys later. Peace.